everyone, tech. And today we have some exciting news from the Ghana Education Service, GES, regarding recruitment opportunities for 2022 degree holders from colleges of education. The GES has officially announced the recruitment of 2022 degree holders from all 46 accredited colleges of education. They are seeking applications from qualified trained teachers who graduated with a first degree from public colleges of education. So, what's the job all about? The primary purpose is to facilitate learning using 21st century technology, improve learners' research abilities with new technologies, cater to students with different learning needs, and ultimately help them achieve excellent academic results. Additionally, selected candidates will attend professional development sessions and undertake various assessment tasks. Now, let's talk about the criteria for consideration. Applicants must have completed their College of Education in 2022 without any outstanding exams or referrals. They should have completed their mandatory national service and passed the National Teacher Licensure Examination. Plus, they must be ready to work wherever their services are needed. Interested candidates can apply through the GES portal at https://gespromotions.gov.gh/. Make sure to follow the application process carefully. The recruitment portal will open for applications on May 15, 2024, and the deadline for submission is June 17, 2024. So, mark your calendars and don't miss out on this opportunity. Before you apply, make sure you have all the necessary documents ready, including your degree certificate, NSS certificate, NTC licensure number, Ghana card, and a passport-sized photograph. That's all for today's update on the GES recruitment of 2022 degree holders from colleges of education. If you meet the criteria and are interested in joining the GES, don't hesitate to apply when the portal opens. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational updates. Until next time, take care and best of luck with your application.